Hey everyone, I'm Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and it is officially spring turning to summer here in Minnesota. And this is the time of year where we need to swap out that mudroom. So, not sure where you're at in the world, but where we are, we have lots of snow and salt and dirt in the winter, and then everything kind of changes and we are in peak summer season, so we no longer need boots, hats, mittens, snow pants, heavy coats, ski gear, hockey gear, all the things, right? They're starting to go away. So now's the time we want to optimize that mudroom. So you want to pull everything out, anything that's worn, torn, no longer used, that's a great thing to get rid of or recycle or donate. And then if we know we're going to use it next year, but it's not that season, that's something that we can simply tote up and store away. Then the things that we want to optimize at this time of year, what kind of shoes are we going to wear? We're not wearing those boots anymore, right? So we want to get out our sandals, our flip-flops, our fun shoes, our tennis shoes, anything that you're going to use to get outside. Any light jackets, maybe it's rain jackets, a light hat, or sunglasses, sunscreen, having a nice little easy accessible bin in the mudroom for sunscreen, glasses, even pool towels or a pool bag. Those are great things to get out this time of year. Get them ready. Make sure you have everything that you need so it's an easy grab and go. And the last part of the mudroom would be, I would say we're at the end of the school year. So going through all kids' papers, paperwork, artwork, deciding what we want to keep, what was amazing and beautiful, what we're going to keep, and then maybe what we need to recycle, and get all of those papers out of the mudroom for this time of year and just give it a nice refresh. So I hope those tips help you when you're setting up your mudroom. And if you get stuck, send us a message, shoot me a message in the comments. Would love to hear what you guys are doing in your mudrooms this year. We're doing a ton of swap outs recently. So yeah, let us know. Otherwise, we will see you next week for another Just the Tip.